Hello world, hello Philippines, hello India my friends, and hello to all of my subscribers. Welcome back again to our channel, Johlo Hnamte'S. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much for all the love and support to our channel, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe now, and please click the bell button. Okay, so thank you so much in advance. Today's guys, we are going to congratulate Esther Hnamte success, because last week she received a citation or award from Jimmy Pachuao. As we all know guys, that Jimmy Pachuao is a popular man from Mizoram. And why he gave this a citation or award to Esther Hnamte? Because Esther Hnamte, her 4 videos, music video, reach millions of views. Okay, so that's why he gave a citation or award to Esther Hnamte. And of course, as a Filipino citizen and as a father of 2 kids and as a #1 fan of Esther Hnamte here in the Philippines, I am proudly to say that I asked also my colleagues, friends, and families to give a congratulatory message to Esther Hnamte. But before anything else, let's watch first this video in which her citation or award was given together with her family and team and her coach Asangi. Okay, let's go. So this is Coach Asangi. You know what? I'm also proud of her because she did a great job in coaching Esther Hnamte. You know that? And I know she is so very proud of Esther Hnamte too. She is a great coach. She is also a great singer. Okay, that's Esther Hnamte. She's so very cute. She's so innocent. And also the band. Imagine 4 videos at 1 million views. Oh man, how I wish. Me too. Okay, oh man. She's a very cute little angel from Mizoram. Congrats. And I know that her parents was so very proud. Look, they're so happy. You can see in their eyes. And yes, congratulations also to her team. This kid has also an amazing talent, like playing the guitar, drums, bass guitar. guys, before we will proceed to the congratulatory message from my friends, families, and relatives, and from me also, let's watch first here 4 videos that reach millions of views. First video is and the next video is
One day at a time, sweet Jesus. This all I'm asking from you. Give me the strength to do every day what I have to do.
and the third video is
Pinahwating tiglalba, ikutat sa kinmensyola. Tugod ka kena o katagsay, pirang balan ng
and the last video, the famous Vande Mataram reached 4 million views and counting. Okay? Guys, this is it, and please guys, help me, please share this video, our congratulatory video for Esther Hnamte, reach this to Esther Hnamte, and I hope that Esther Hnamte will watch this video. Please help me to reach this video to her. Please share to your community. Okay?
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte. Good luck sa journey.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte, for your success and career.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte. Hi.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte. Hi.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte.
And good luck to your journey.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte.
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte. Good luck.
Congrats, Esther Hnamte, to your success. Bye-bye!
Congratulations, Esther Hnamte. Good luck to your journey and career.
So that's all guys. Before I end this video, I want also to congratulate first Esther Hnamte for your success. I'm very proud of you as a father of 2 kids. Your #1 fan here in the Philippines. I am so proud of your parents also, and also to Coach Asangi, congratulations, and thank you to Sir Jamie Pachuao for giving Esther Hnamte a citation or award. To Esther Hnamte, please continue, keep on singing, and I know that you had great talent, and you also have your Coach Asangi, a great and amazing mentor of yours. And to your parents also, God bless you all, and may God bless you always, Esther Hnamte. Okay, so soon Esther Hnamte will receive her 100 100,000 silver button from YouTube, and I hope that she will receive it as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for loving and support, and please continue to support Esther Hnamte journey. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, likes, and subscribe to our channel, Johlo Carmelotes. And don't forget to subscribe Esther Hnamte YouTube channel, Sir Jimmy Pachuao YouTube channel, and to Coach Asangi Rent. Okay? See you again on my next video and daily vlogs. Bye!